Hi besties, welcome back to the channel, and we are going to attempt to install the frontal wig that we called yesterday together. This is the first time I'll be installing a wig myself, so if you're a beginner and if it is something that you are also trying to learn how to do, you want to make sure to keep watching. So the first thing I did is to lay my edges, and I used that air wax edge control to lay my edges. I used my hand to apply it all over before going in with a brush to brush it down. You can use any edge control of your choice. Anything you have would definitely work out well. You just want to make sure that you don't use a product that has too much of oil in it. So the next thing I did was to go ahead with my wig cap, and that is basically just to protect my hair from any product that I will be applying on my head to install the wig. So it's just to protect my hair and to have all of my natural hair just in place. And after doing that, I went ahead with the foundation of my color, which is this one. So I didn't want to apply the foundation directly on my wig, so I applied it on this cap. But if you don't mind, you can apply it on your wig. It is still going to give you the same effects. Another thing that I noticed after I removed this wig was the fact that the foundation got to my natural hair, so I had to wash my natural hair. So you might just want to apply the foundation or the powder you're using directly on your wig cap. Okay, if you're new on the channel, you're welcome, and if you're an OG, thank you for coming back again. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and just keep watching. So just to remove excess oil from both my hand and from my hairline, I just went in with that baby wipes to clean my hand, to clean my fingers, like the fingers, the part I used in applying the hair wax. So this is the lace spray I'll be using. It's first, and I actually saw it on TikTok, and it's quite affordable. I think I got it for 4,500. Yes, I think 4,500. So I applied like the first two spray, and I was just blow drying it, blowing it so that it can become a bit sticky. I went in again because I just want to like make sure that once I place the wig over it, it sticks, right? And you guys can see that it was dripping over my face, so I had to clean that off again. And I was just blowing it for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that it is sticky before I go in with my wig. You can use any lace spray of your choice, anything at all, anything you have that you can get from your hair supply store. So at this point, I went in again. At this point, I was beginning to question myself if it wasn't too much, but I was just trying to make sure that I get the best results and that I don't have to like spray it over it again once I put on the wig. And this is my wig. If you did not watch, or if you've not watched the video of how I called this, I also have a tutorial on how to like revamp your old wig. I will have everything linked in the description box. So one thing I realized is that this first part that I paid more attention to actually glued quicker than the other side that I didn't pay attention to. So the other side I didn't really pay attention to. I had to apply a little bit of extra holding spray to it, but to my surprise, it did stay. And I was so happy. I was so excited that it did stay. So I just went in with more of that holding spray using my comb on the part that did not stay, and I allowed it get a bit tacky or a bit sticky. Sorry, a bit sticky, not tacky, before going in with something to hold down my wig. So I don't have the regular elastic band, so I used what I have, that you guys are going to see very soon. And it came out good. Not as professional as I wanted, but it came out good and I was able to go out with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Please do not forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the description box, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.